Hello guys, our team and I are gonna present you a project on automated sensor parking. For a moment, let us consider this as our parking monitored by MSP430 microcontrollers on the other ends. And these are the parking slots available. And now we are gonna park this car, which is also an automated unmanned driving, which will park by itself by the use of MSP430, which you see over here. And these motors are controlled by a motor driver, and the power is given from MSP430. And so we here have the sensors. Here these black things are the receivers, where this basement will give some communication through IR transmitters, and where this car will receive it from here, these black receivers. And according to the signal it receives, it reacts there, then and there. And here are the other two IR obstacle avoiders, which avoids this unmanned vehicle from accidents or hitting some obstacles. For example, if we have a situation for a car that it has a parking slot on the left and on the right both empty, it is programmed in such a way that it chooses the parking slot on the right, and it can be done on the either way also, but we prefer it for our model now to be on the right. The moment consider this parking here, and now we have here two occupied parking slots, and we have an empty slot here. And now let's see how our car behaves when it enters here. And this is the status that showing that the parkings are occupied, and this is always monitored by these transmitters arranged here, and which will communicate with our. So now let's consider the situation. Now actually what happened here is, as we are having two empty slots parallelly, so these transmitters gave the signal to this that we are having two empty slots next to the turn, and so how has the program of our unmanned car, it just chose the slot on the right side, and it just came and parked here. And this is from where we get all the signals, and these signals is transmitted to this, and where all the decisions are made from the MSP430 and choosing the wise parking. So let's consider this situation. Let's make this slot also allotted or filled, and now let's consider this situation, how our unmanned car behaves. See, what happened here is, these transmitters gave information that all the two parkings are filled here, so it came here, and even the right one, the first priority to our car, gave the information that it's filled, so it took the second priority for the left and just verified it with this transmitter and got information that it's empty, so it just went there and parked itself. This model can even be applicable for our present cars. In this, the driver will be driven to the particular empty slot. This model can be added to our present cars at a minimal cost. The epitome of this model is to uplift the parking facility. Happy parking.